Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Schaumburg, local and long-distance movers near me. Even when the origin and destination are in the same state, a long-distance relocation occurs when the source and destination are more than 100 miles apart. Interstate relocations are those that take place within a single state. Making an interstate move between 2 states necessitates crossing state lines. At 3 Movers, we can transfer your belongings locally within the state or across the state lines. We are also in excellent standing with the federal and local agencies that oversee the moving process. Because we care about our customers and their belongings, we have insurance arrangements in place. These plans cover liabilities and risks before and after the relocation. We have the most professional and dependable movers and drivers who are providing quality moving services and will safely move your possessions on our relocation team. You don't have to be concerned about us overcharging you because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local moves are substantially less expensive than long-distance moves, and our hourly rates are considerably affordable, ranging between $30 and $40. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Schaumburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.